Hi guys, welcome back to the Land Rover. I was just going to do a small video today. In fact, I popped up on Sunday just to, I don't know, look around the garage and tidy up and mess about a bit. I'm not even in my work clothes. But I thought I would fit the fire extinguisher to a more accessible place than in the cubby box. So I saw on Instagram somebody had put theirs behind the seat, which I thought was quite a good idea. So basically I've just got this, it's a relatively cheap fire extinguisher, and what I'm probably going to do is just put it there like that. So I've already got a hole in here because I don't like drilling holes in the Land Rover if I don't have to. There's a rivet here which is actually holding a piece of, you know, a corner piece in, but I think there are enough rivets there to be able to sacrifice one of those. So I'm going to drill out that rivet, and that will end up sort of sitting there, which I think should be okay. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to do. That was easy. Look at this, I've still got a lot of my equipment and my tools have still got an English plug on them. So what I do is I've got an English extension with a German plug on the other end. Maybe one day I'll get round to swapping them out. Right, now I need some nuts and bolts. So I found some correct size nuts and bolts, and I forgot the screwdriver, hang on. Okay, so I'm just going to line this up now, make sure they fit through the holes. Oh, that one doesn't fit. Would you look at that? Let's see if I can make that a little bit bigger. There we go. Gonna fit now? Lovely. Just make sure these are actually long enough. Where's that one gonna go? There, I think. Oh no, it's gonna have to go further down, because that is too far back. Let's put that in there. There and there. Excellent. Put that one in. Probably the quickest job I've done on the Land Rover, actually. Let's have a look. Saying that I haven't finished yet. In there. Yeah, the photograph I saw on Instagram, it was actually behind the driver's seat, which I thought that was a bit strange, because it'd be more logical to, or more practical, I should say, to just like reach, if you're, you know, the driver, just to reach behind the passenger seat to get the fire extinguisher. So that's why I'm doing it on this side. If there's any other reason why you do it on the other side, let me know. Let me just move this over a little bit. In for a bit. Is that it? As far as you're going to go. Oh, I see. Okay. There we go. Is that right? No, not quite. That's right, like that. Okay. So there we are, quick job, but I think quite effective. Just put that behind the passenger seat. Obviously the only danger is that somebody sitting in here, which is virtually never, might sort of lean on it, and that's not that stable, to be honest, but I think for now that's pretty good. So just another thing, Kingbolen sent me a battery tester to review, I guess, which was very kind of them. So I said, yep, sure, send it over and I will test it. And so I've just essentially taken it out of the box, and it comes, it's, you know, to be honest, it's pretty well built. There's pretty good connectors here. And I just took it out of the box and went through the motions of testing this battery. So essentially what you do, you put in the information that relates to your battery, and then you press OK and it tests it. So I just did it a minute ago, but I'll do it again now. So I've got cold cranking amps of 700, so I'll put that in. This is about the third or fourth step, and then it essentially just gives you a readout of the battery itself. I don't profess to know much about these things, but I said, you know, definitely send it across and I'll test it. So we have, I guess, what's that, battery charge of 66%. I haven't got the trickle charger on here at the moment, so I'll have to do that at some point. It's at home at the moment. But yeah, I mean, in terms of simplicity, there's nothing to this really. It's very light. It comes with a USB connection point, so I don't know what that is, maybe for updates or charging, I don't know. It was completely dead out of the box, but I guess obviously it takes its power from the battery. But, you know, in terms of usability, it was really simple. So it's got a few other features. Let me just, I think this is just going back. So this is going backwards through the steps of, so you do battery test, a charging test, which I haven't done yet, startup test, load test, a quick test I didn't do. I did battery in vehicle because that's what it is, but my Porsche battery is actually out of the vehicle, so it'd be interesting to see what that one tests as. What happens when I go quick test? Please confirm yes. Please enter the AH. That's 70 AH. Okay, so I have to go down 70 AH. So it's good at 100%. So I've got a good battery in there, which is good to know. But yeah, just a little quick review. I don't actually know what they cost. They didn't send me any information. They just said, would you like to test it? So I said, yeah, fine. I guess it gets the thumbs up for me. It's quite handy to have this little thing, to be honest. As I say, never had one before. And yeah, I guess I can recommend it.